Hello, Francesca Duffy, Spanish tutor for Tabla and Early Education and Training Board. Hola, buenos días, o buenas tardes, o buenas noches. Before we start, we are going to practice some of those greetings again to remind you which one will you use, depending, of course, on the time of the day. So just to start, I've just written here 6 times the day, so will you be able to know which one to use? For example, the first one is 3 p.m. Which one will you use? It will be buenas tardes. The next one, 10 a.m. Buenos días. 11 p.m. Buenas noches. 7 p.m. Buenas tardes. 7 a.m. Buenos días. And the last one, 5 p.m. Buenas tardes. So, there you have it. And for our goodbye, we could say adiós. Hasta luego. Until later. I see you soon. Hasta pronto as well. And today we are going to continue with the numbers. If you remember last time, we were looking at the page that I gave you and I read to you some of the numbers. We went as far as 100, 100, and we just practiced a little bit, not too much, but today we are going to continue with that practice. If you maybe like to remember the numbers, I'm going to say them to you again from 0 to 9, and then we're going to practice a little bit, do a little bit of listening comprehension with them. So if you have the page in front of you, they were 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have 10. But to start, let's begin with just from 0 until 9. And what I'm going to do is I am going to read, I'm going to call out to you some número de teléfono, some phone numbers. We only did one last time, but today I'm going to give you a few more. And if you remember this page, I'm going to call out to you the first 6 numbers. And if you don't have the page, don't worry, because I've written them here in the board so you can check yourselves afterwards. So if you have a pen and you are ready, I'm going to start with the first one. I will repeat each number twice and I won't go too slow just to give you the practice. So if you're ready with your pen, this number I already gave it to you last time. I'm going to do it again. So first number, 948-365-501. I'll repeat that one. 948-365-501. I'm going to give you number 2 now, another number. ¿Preparados? 948-387-925. I'm going to repeat that number. 948-387-925. It's a bit faster that time. Now I'm going to give you another one. Number 3. ¿Preparados? 948-313-346. Repito. 948-313-346. I'm going to go and give you another one. This one will be number 4. 948-394-321. And I am going to repeat that number. 948-394-321. Are they getting easier? Okay. I'm going to give you number 5 now. 948-303-698. Repito, number 5. 948-303-698. and I'm going to give you one last number, which is number 6. 948-374-512. And I repeat that number. 948-374-512. And I repeat. 948-374-512. Right. If you have the page, you can check them. They are the first 6 numbers, but if not, I just written them there in the board for you. So you can check yourselves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Also, I read to you from that page the days of the week and the months of the year, la semana, los meses. We go over them again maybe. The days of the week: lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. And the months: enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, and diciembre. Okay, now here in the board I've written a few dates in numbers, of course, and what you are going to do is try to tell me that date in Spanish. The word for date, if you remember, was fecha. It's maybe not very clear here. I'm just going to put there fecha, yes? F-E-C-H-A, fecha. So, the first date there is the 26th of October. So, how would you say that in Spanish? 26 de octubre. Now the next one, I'm just going to continue down. 1 de septiembre. You can say uno or primero as well. Only with that one. The rest one, we just use the numbers as you know them already, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. Now the next one we have, if you want to try yourselves, that will be 15 de mayo. The next one, 6 de enero. And the last one in that line, 3 de abril. So I'm going to repeat them for you. 25 de octubre, 1 de septiembre, 15 de mayo, 6 de enero y 3 de abril. And if you go over the next line, 17 de julio, 1 de enero o 1 de enero, 21 de agosto, the next one is 12 de octubre, 30 de marzo, and if I just go over the next line, the last line, we have 28 de febrero. If you want to try the next one yourself, is 23 de junio. The next one, 11 de noviembre. The next one, 25 de diciembre. And the last one, 17 de marzo. I'll just go over that last line for you. 28 de febrero, 23 de junio, 11 de noviembre, 25 de diciembre, 17 de marzo. What I have written here is a question. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? And as you can see, I put the question mark at the beginning and the question mark at the end. Yes, open question mark, close question mark. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? When is your birthday? Mi cumpleaños es el 6 de diciembre. Would you be able to tell me when is your birthday? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? And you can check yourselves in the vocabulary to see if you have got it right. Now we will continue next time I see you, or in a couple of more classes. We will continue with numbers. So just in case you don't have the page with you, I've just written here the numbers again from 20 to 100, and I'm just going to go over them again, and maybe you can practice them for next time we do some, you can study them for next time we do numbers, we have a little bit of practice. So just to finish for today, I'm just going to read you the numbers again. We have from 20, or once you have the 20, from 20 to 30 should be easy. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And if you're writing that, it should be all one word, only from 20 to 30. And the next ones we have there, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. 100 is the only time you will see that word is just for 100. So I'm just going to read them again. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay, that will be all for today. Hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you next time, ¿vale? I study those numbers. Hasta luego.